Hello, family and friends. Let's continue the discussion about mosquito bites, looking at treatment and prevention. To treat mosquito bites, begin with washing them with soap and warm water. You could use over-the-counter antihistamines or a topical anti-itch medication to control the itching, such as topical Benadryl. You can also make a mixture of 1 tablespoon of baking soda and water and add just enough to create a paste. Then apply it to the bite for about 10 minutes and wash it off. This can help reduce the itching. Lastly, you can apply an ice pack to your skin to provide relief from itching. If you have a child with itchy mosquito bites, make sure their fingernails are kept short and remind them not to scratch. To prevent overnight scratching, put socks or mittens on your child's hands. It is important to control the itching to prevent scratching. Scratching the bite can lead to an infected bite. An infected bite may appear red, warm, or a red streak may spread outward from the bite. This is exactly what happened to my sister. She had a bad reaction to a mosquito bite about 1 month ago, and that progressed to a large blister and infection. She ended up seeing the doctor and had to be placed on antibiotics. So it's important to see a healthcare provider if symptoms worsen. Now let's see how we can prevent mosquito bites. Number 1, get rid of standing water. Number 2, survey your neighborhood looking for standing water. Number 3, look for EPA-registered insect repellents such as picaridin, which is a DEET-free, and my preference is picaridin. Make sure it contains at least 15 to 20% of picaridin. The label should also guarantee 2 hours of protection. Typically, sprays will begin working faster than lotions. Another alternative DEET-free repeller is Lemon Eucalyptus.